Steve's the pleb.
I just found $50 literally in my jeans. Fall that hard, wait.
Hello?
Hello!
The driver's side motor mount is kind of busted, and I knew that from the beginning, but what I didn't know is that it'll cause first to pop out every once in a while, and it's getting really annoying, so I'm gonna fix it. And I'm a firm believer of fixing everything before you start modding stuff, so that's why I'm still fixing stuff. So, yeah.
And that's why my car's dope.
Then the mods.
Are you Snapchatting?
Yeah.
I knew it. I could just tell by the way you're holding. You're probably Snapchatting your coffee. With Matt's car in the background. It's probably the exact shot. See, when we say jacking things up, just get a video clip of somebody being like, I'm gonna jack you up, motherfucker!
Alright, so like the first thing you have to do with the motor mount is you have to jack the car up.
I'm gonna jack you up, motherfucker! Oh, sweet.
Oh fuck, I already caught it. It's just gonna be walking around me, the car, like constantly, because this is what I do, like.
We'll count the laps.
Break that bar. Well, shit. Fucking break it. Oh my god, yes. What are you doing over here?
I'm trying to find the video clip that we can put in when Matt jacks up the car. Not a commonly term though, so it's a little tricky.
Buying this rolling chair thing was an amazing idea, because I can just do this. And not even get up.
I'm not looking at you, grab your trunk.
You gonna film it?
No. I feel like I should shoot another montage every single time we use PB Blaster and set it to the same music.
Do it. And then send it to PB Blaster and be like, fucking sponsor us already. This is getting out of hand.
That one's gonna be super shaky, but. No, it's more like.
I love how it says PB Blaster the bolts, but it doesn't tell you in the guide where those bolts are.
All of them,
for
just
later.
everything.
Yeah. He has like negative tire clearance, like the fenders are in the top.
Yes.
Fuck.
Oh, I kind of see where you're going with this. Alright, so do me a favor, point out what exactly are we changing in here?
Okay, so for those who don't know, Steve, see right there the little rectangle? That's like connecting the subframe to the engine. That's where the motor mount is.
This thing right here, and there's bolts right here. And you said there's other ones elsewhere.
Subframe one in there. And then there's like, you can see why I'm pointing. There's three. I can't see where my hand is. There's three in there.
Wow. That looks excessive. Get in there, Matt. Get up in there.
You thought it was excessive before. And I might need to go longer.
That's what she said. That's excessive. How is that looking?
One.
Oh, you got one.
Wait, what did he say?
Well, the shop manual says it should take 15 minutes, but I got the first bolt off and I started an hour and a half ago, so.
Yeah.
That's the epitome of Russia.
Ah, fuck. Yes! Okay, shit all over my hoodie. good stuff.
Nice.
I have faith in you.
Glad someone does. It was loose. I didn't round it off. I'm so happy right now. No, I thought like when it jerked off, like.
I'm sorry, Matt. When it what?
When it jerked off.
Oh, okay.
Chris jerked it off.
Oh my god, Dubai was lit, guys!
What?
Have you seen that video?
No. Wow, who's that handsome fella, Matt? I can see myself in the reflection of your car.
I was gonna say I wasn't sure who you're making a joke about because none of us we're all ugly as fuck.
Oh, nice. Hear that, Chris?
I tend to disagree with that.
I know.
Steve is hot as well.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you finish, but Steve had the best breaker bar.
These are all the same.
I'm just randomly getting sand in my mouth. I don't know why.
Oh. Oh, that's...
My plan was to ask them, be like, yo, when you want to do this, when I go and get it tuned. What would this be? I'm actually losing count. Would this be 5th time?
that you tried to get your car tuned?
Yeah.
So Matt tried to get the speed tuned like 30 times now. And he keeps breaking the dyno.
Something isn't configured correctly and they fixed it.
Windows has to update.
Windows has to update. That actually was a thing.
Adobe Reader has to update.
And now I can't get it out of here.
Nice. Mine are they're all from the heat shield. They're stuck in bolts. Actually, and surprisingly, a few from my splash guard also are just stuck. I have a socket on my splash guard still. There's a bolt that the socket wouldn't come off of, so I just left the socket there, and it's still under my car now.
Nothing will ever go smoothly ever.
That's a good sound. That might have been something breaking.
Oh, yep, there we go.
Broke? Yep. What
Yeah,
broke?
they're all gonna snap off.
Just grab another 10 millimeter.
We're gonna have to cut it off. It'll slide right down there.
No, look at that subframe.
I see the hole and I see the floor. Oh, that all comes off?
Yeah, it's the whole thing. That's why I gotta take this out to get this out.
Because it's the whole thing.
Oh, that's mad annoying.
Okay, these don't look as rusted as the ones up here. So.
Yeah, but they're probably in the thing harder.
You took yours off, right?
Yeah, I put it back on there.
Straight up headers.
I put it back on there.
Cut the exhaust right there. Right where it forms into one, just chop it off.
Pro MLG right there.
Nice. Are you bleeding yet?
No.
No, well that'll come. Alright, that's not helping anything.
Yeah, don't kick the jack, please. That would be very bad.
Did I kick the jack?
You didn't.
You didn't. You're
Exactly.
local.
Exactly.
Please don't.
Did I kick the jack? That's not a hammer.
Oh, that was very easy. Me IRL.
How many bolts are left in this shield? 3?
I think so. I think there's 6 total. No one listens to me. I say there's 6, everyone's like, oh no, there's only 5.
Fuck you.
Oh, yeah.
Sweat. I'm just gonna start wearing cakes, sweatshirts. I gotta find one right there. Schweppes t-shirts. They have them.
I hope we get popular and someone's gonna be like, why Schweppes? And you'll be like,
Because it was what was in my fridge at the time. Yeah, you got a donk. Oh, work it.
Woo!
Are you fucking serious?
Just found money in my other pants. It's only $3 this time.
You get it?
no.
Schweppes better sponsor us. I'm gonna be PO'd.
Can you imagine Schweppes like decal across the side of one of our cars?
That'd be sick. Just
We
pure
could try
race
that.
car.
Yeah.
There we go. Header life. I don't really think that changed much, though, to be honest with you. I think you might have to take the header off.
This is one of those things where you can barely see what you're doing, so you kind of just stick your arm in like this, and you just sitting there feeling around, looking up in the air, going, I'll get this somewhere.
In the end, it doesn't really matter. We all die.
Okay, I'll just do it like this.
Okay.
Yeah. You weigh more than me.
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, Chris.
260 foot-pounds of torque? Wow, you make a lot of torque.
Foot-pounds.
So, this is all just destroyed. Look at that. And there's all cracked and stuff.
Old? New. Old? New.
Can I shot put this? You can shot put this. Yeah, like it's
Where can I shot put it? No, I'm gonna break something. Let's not.
I don't even know how you got this out, so.
Let me see.
Just kind of get that bracket back on.
Woo! Little hands. Drop the flashlight. Drop the flashlight again.
That actually worked right before.
Where are those hands coming from?
It's in.
It's in?
Oh my god!
Oh, wow. You got it.
yeah.
Alright, start putting bolts on so it doesn't move.
Oh yeah, that's not moving.
Hooray!
We all kind of have different body types, and it all kind of works.
You saying I'm fat?
Chris is masked to
You saying I'm
to
fat?
have his foot-pounds.
Yes.
I got a little
We're not saying you're fat, you just have foot pounds. You have more foot pounds.
I have a lot of foot-pounds. I have more foot-pounds than your car.
That's a t-shirt.
Only make it in large and larger.
Yeah, it's only, yeah.
Large XL, double XL, triple XL. I have more foot-pounds than your car.
Yeah. Okay, I didn't PB blaster this one, that's why I say
BB blaster. Penetrating oil.
It actually says penetrating catalyst on it,
I know.
but it is oil. #1 selling penetrant.
That's me.
This stuff penetrates more than a college frat boy.
It says that right there on the label, right?
Right here. Third bullet. Completely saturate the troubled area. Don't hold back. If you think it's not enough, go ahead. Give it another spray. Could you imagine if it just like fell out, just sitting there?
Dude, come on.
It says on the can, completely saturate the troubled area. Don't hold back. If you
Okay,
think it's
well-
not enough, go ahead, give it another spray.
Well, stop. Seriously.
Steve, be better at that.
It's slippery now. Yeah, slip right out.
Dude, you stop it.
A little bit.
Stop it. You have a problem, Steve.
Yes, I got a problem, and the solution is more PV blasting. Alright, let's get it bolted back up. Let's do this. Let's do some shit.
You gonna record now? You're not doing everything. I've been doing everything here.
And that's just a lie.
Blaster fucking on everything, Steve. The extension doesn't need PB blaster, Steve.
Steve, do something. Get off your phone and do something.
I'm not actually doing anything right now. I'll admit that. But just right this second. Like you're picking out the one time you're not doing something.
I'm gonna be honest, before we started this, I wasn't really sure what a motor mount is or what it looked like or how it worked. And I've learned something today. Yeah, obviously I knew a motor mount is like mounting a motor to it, but I didn't like really know what they look like or how it worked.
The next day.
Fucking go in this hole. This is one of those times where it's like I don't think it's going in.
Wow, that's really in there. Can you try starting it by hand? Because it looks like you're going in at kind of an angle.
Yeah. I can get in there.
Thanks.
Well, that's hand tight. So, torque time. Ow, fuck. Ow. Even longer than before.
Wow.
Just feel like 90,000 straws.
That's basically what it is.
And just blend them and fold them in, make one really long straw.
Did you see how like little that actually sticks out now that it's all in the engine? Going down.
What the fucking hell, just snap.
That'd be very sad. I would just be done. That went right in. Oh yeah, that's smooth.
Is it?
Yeah, before I'd hold it, no vibrations. Basically, my driver's side motor mount was getting really bad. We had to replace it, take the, jack it up, take the wheel off, jack the engine up, and then finally like finagle it out. Like got everything back together, just torqued it all up. Setting out for a test drive feels much better. First gear, when you start getting going, the torque would shake it out. But I was holding it to feel it, no vibrations, so we're good to go. It's still doing it.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's what that was?
Yeah. Yeah, they didn't fix it.